Hey guys, how you doing? Got a great recipe, you're gonna like it. We're gonna do the ultimate chicken sandwich. Now I've already marinated my chicken. In Italian dressing. We're gonna let that fry up in some avocado oil. Whoops. I better throw a little garlic in there. I like it. Alright. So we got avocado, fresh. I'm going to throw in about 1 clove of garlic. Got our bacon sitting there. Alright. I'm going to add tomato, roma tomato, diced real fine jalapenos, diced real fine red onion. A whole jalapeno, half a red onion. Alright, and then we're doing 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. The red onions for the sandwich, guys. Alright, and then the juice of 1 lime. Uh-oh. Shot me right in the face, guys. Never a dull moment. Alright. 2 points? 2 points. Alright. And these were fresh, real nice and ripe avocados, guys. Oh yeah. This is the ultimate. The only thing I forgot, we're adding some salt. About a half a teaspoon. Alright. And I pounded my chicken thin. That way it cooks even. I butterflied it. That way it wasn't one big thick breast. And 1 little dash of cumin. Oh yeah, there you go. Nothing like fresh guacamole. Alright? But there's, and we're going to do a sriracha mayo. Oh yeah. What do you think? A little more?
A little bit.
A little bit? We got the lovely Jacqueline, my daughter, with us tonight. Gunchy stayed at his little buddies this weekend. Alright. There, that looks better. Alright. So we got our sriracha mayo. Alright, and then see our chicken starting to cook real nice in that avocado oil. Avocado oil is good, guys. Alright. I'm going to take my roll, Kaiser roll. I got it covered with mayo. Thin coat. We're going to toast them. Alright. But as soon as our chicken's done frying, guys, I'll be right back. Stick around. Welcome back. Look at that awesome chicken. Alright. So we're going to throw our chicken on the bun. They toast it up real nice. Bacon I prefabbed it earlier for us, guys. That way we didn't have to worry about it. I actually did it in the oven. Alright, so we're going to throw that on there. Some red onion. Thinly sliced, guys. Thinly sliced. Alright. And we're going to throw, this is some real fresh leaf lettuce. Going to throw that on there. Along with the tomato for the lovely Jacqueline. We're going to put that guacamole. Uh-oh. Fail, Reaper. Yeah. Alright, so we're just going to slap that on there. With some of that special sauce. The sriracha mayo. Oh. Alright, but there you have it, guys. The ultimate chicken sandwich. It's healthy too. Alright? But until next time, guys, God bless. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you next time. You guys think you're going to get away without me taking a bite of this? Oh, no. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. That is amazing. Till next time, ciao.